Hello everyone, this is Sivaranjani, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinada, College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about need for technical writing. Need for technical writing, it is main role of presentation skill. Technical writing and its usage. First, we are going to see about technical writing and its usage. Generally, technical writing prefer candidates who have a bachelor's degree in English or another communications related subject. Technical writing jobs may require candidates to have both a degree and knowledge of a technical field such as engineering, computer science, or medicine. Job opportunities, especially for applicants with technical skills, are expected to be good. Now we are going to see about traits of technical writing. What are the main traits of technical writing? The 5 main traits of technical writing are as follows. Number 1, clarity. Number 2, consciousness. Number 3, accessibility. 4, audience. And 5, accuracy. These are the 5 main traits of technical writing. What are the characteristics of technical writing? We can see about characteristic of technical writing. It is relevant. The information provided must be what the users are looking for. Precise. It means the information must be unambiguous and accurate. Complete means the information should be complete within the defined context and scope. Next, concise. Well structured, well illustrated, and accessible, easy accessible. These are the characteristics of technical writing. Principles of technical writing. There are 7 principles to guide technical writing. First one, remember your purpose, that is to inform or persuade. Second, remember your audience, that is their concerns, their background, attitude towards your purpose, etc. Third one, make your content specific to its purpose and audience. Fourth, write clearly and precisely, that is active voice, usage of appropriate language to audience. Fifth one, reflect organization goal and culture. Sixth one, be produced collaboratively. And the 7th one, last, designed so that it increases readability. These are 7 principles to guide technical writing. Now we are going to see about technical specification. What are technical specification? Table of contents. In technical specification, usually technical documentation is a lengthy document. Therefore, the table of contents helps to navigate it. Writing actual specifications helps to understand more clear. Assigning titles, that is signature blocks for authorities. Definition of terms must be used in technical specification. That's all about technical specification. Now we are going to see about the importance of technical writing. Technical writers create documentation for different spheres, for example, insurance, engineering and manufacturing, aerospace, medicine, and more. Speaking of medicine, writing scientific articles, pharmaceutical and regulatory documents, technical documentation for software and equipment, education materials, white papers, a whole range of totally different documents. In other words, in medical writing, a lot of focus is placed on regulations and standards. It is especially true for pharmaceutical documents. Maintaining them often comes down to working with placeholders. Next, we are going to see about significance of technical writing. What is significance of technical writing? The main purpose of technical writing is to provide complex information to readers in a way that they can understand and apply, even if they don't have prior knowledge of the topic. Technical writing explains how a particular object works or how to complete a task or project. Thank you. We saw everything about the need for technical writing. Thank you. Meet you in my next video.